How to transfer money from YourSafe to Wise. Log into your Wise account using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the Send Money or Transfer section. Select the currency and amount you wish to transfer from YourSafe to Wise. Choose the option to add funds via bank transfer. Note down the bank details provided by Wise for the transfer. Log in to your YourSafe account. Initiate a withdrawal from YourSafe to your linked bank account. Enter the amount you wish to withdraw, ensuring it matches the transfer amount to Wise. Input the bank details obtained from Wise during the withdrawal process. Confirm the withdrawal request and wait for the funds to be transferred to your bank account. Once the funds are in your bank account, proceed to make a bank transfer from your bank account to Wise using the details provided earlier. That's it. Thanks for watching the video.